Hi, I'm Suman Jain, and today I just wanted to do a quick review about Limitless. And this book is written by Matt Lloyd, and you will discover some of his biggest lessons that he has learned in selling over 100 million worth of his own products online, and how this lesson can help us to start your own online business from home. Okay, I the person who are looking out to this video are looking out for how to make money online from high ticket products, right? So this book is for everybody. This book is for newbie who want to start his own business, and this book is even for the person who are yet to make a money from online business. Okay, so what is this book all about? This book is all about creating a substantial income in your spare time working from home. Okay, so being me as a full-time homemaker, I even make an online money from this business. Okay, so if I can do, I think anyone can do this. And there is even other information in this book which you will learn, like how to apply for high ticket affiliate method program even if you have zero experiences online and have never owned a business. As I said, this book will show you how even a newbie, or if you don't even have a computer skill or marketing skill, you would even learn from the case studies which Matt has given over here. And with this case studies, it might help you, and you might relate to any one of the case studies, and uh, see the problems which these people are facing, and you can come out with the solutions as well. Okay, so this book even talks about why this is borderless and ageless. Okay, anyone with this internet connection, or anyone any part of the world, can get connected to this online business. The only requirement is either your smartphone or your laptop or a computer with internet connection. So that is what we call it as. It's a borderless and an ageless. Okay, so anyone from any part of the world can do this business until and unless you have a strong internet connection. Why? And this book even talk about why you don't need to create or ship products or deal with the customers, set up websites, hire staff, or start merchant accounts. Okay, you don't require to do this. Everything is pre-built for you. You just have to concentrate on how to get traffic or leads to this business. And what if I say that even you learn and even you get a strategy on how to get leads every day from social media? And there are specific examples of people from their teens to the 80s who have made money with this system. Okay, so anyone with this company, anyone who falls in the age criteria of 18 to 80s or 85 plus, can get into this business and make real money, until and unless you are ready to learn and you wanted to make money. Okay, there are various other steps as well. So the book called Limitless, the high ticket affiliate marketing method. This book will show you how to make money online from high ticket products created by someone else and make thousands of dollars commissions with doing nothing. Okay, so there's various other informations as well, like you don't need a physical storefront, you don't even need a physical product, you don't even need an employee, and you don't even need to wait to get paid. So all the things are really important when you consider your own business, leveraging style, leveraging system. So you don't even need to be a location dependent. You can work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. So if you have a very strong internet connection, even with your smartphone, you can get into this business. So this book is getting on the early notification list, and if you want to claim this free copy of Matt Lloyd's new book called Limitless, then there is a link below the video. Just uh, click the link below and order the book. Only you have to bear the postage and handling expenses. That's it. And remaining, you would get the hands on this 240 pages of book, which is written by Matt Lloyd by himself. So you would have his own his own challenges what he faced to get into this online business, and how he transformed his small room to a big arena, and how he modeled this business, and how we can even learn to model the same strategy. Okay, so it's very easy, and I would really tell you guys that grab this copy now and learn whatever the strategy he has to build his online profitable business online, 100 million business online. Thank you so much for watching this video. The link is below. Grab the video now and grab this opportunity now.